Forklifts play a crucial role in various settings, including warehouses, logistics centers, manufacturing, and construction sites. Today, let's go over some basic forklift operations and common wear and tear parts. This is the handbrake on the forklift. Right now, it is in the braking position. Push it forward to release the brake, and pull it back to engage it. Below, there are 3 pedals. The first one is the clutch. Be sure to press it all the way down when shifting gears. The middle one is the brake. The right one is the accelerator. The forklift steering wheel has an extra universal joint, compared to a car's steering wheel, allowing for quicker turns. The lever on the left controls the lifting and lowering of the forks. Pull it back to lift and push it forward to lower. The lever on the right controls the tilting of the forks. Push it forward to tilt forward, and pull it back to tilt backward. There are also 2 gear levers. The left lever controls movement. Push forward for forward gear, keep it in the middle for neutral, and pull back for reverse. The right lever controls speed. Push forward for low speed, first gear, keep it in the middle for neutral, and pull back for high speed gear. Some crucial forklift parts that are prone to damage include the brake valve asterisk. If this fails, it's a serious issue. The electronic throttle motor asterisk. If it breaks, the forklift will either not move at all or crawl slower than a turtle. The DCE sunroof wiper motor asterisk. If this stops working, you'll be getting a day off on rainy days. Did you remember all that? If anything is unclear, feel free to leave a comment. Also, follow us to stay updated with more useful information.